attorney for AT&T and founder of...
Here to further discuss this.
One of the questions we often get asked is, are cell towers safe to be on my property or on top of my building? Well, you need to understand what is actually being put on your property. You need to understand how that impacts the property with regards to how far those EME, electromagnetic emissions, go out from that cell tower. Look right here. Here's a sign that says, you can't pass this. You can't get this close. I'm feeling a little uneasy right now. You need to understand what is on your property. You need to structure a lease that not only shows where the tower is going to be or where the equipment on your rooftop is going to be, but as they change equipment, make sure you understand where the hot spots are, where the danger spots are, not only for you, but anybody else that uses that property or that building. If you have a cell tower agreement, whether it be a rooftop agreement or a traditional cell tower agreement, contact us and we'll look at that agreement and make sure you have protection, because this could open you up to a lot of liability if you don't understand what you're agreeing to. Do you have an existing cell tower lease and have been approached to renegotiate that lease, or somebody wants to buy it? You want to know how much your cell tower lease is worth? Scan this QR code and get more information about your lease and how much you should get. Get more money, get a better lease, get vertical.